Hello, I'm Markku from Connected Finland, and I'm going to talk about air quality control and indoor air quality challenges and solutions we can provide to tackle these issues. Now, the problem with indoor air quality and air quality control is really the fact that it's essential for our health and well-being, but the threat it contains are invisible, so basically we can't see the air we are breathing. We all know that the world is more polluted than ever, and at the same time we spend most of our times, even 90%, inside and indoors. Outdoor air quality, we can only do so much. It's a huge global challenge which requires government level response. But on the other hand, indoor air quality is something which is more tangible for us, and there's a lot of things we can actually do for it. The air quality, bad air quality, poisons in the air are a huge problem globally, killing actually millions of people yearly globally and costing us billions of dollars or euros. We know that we inhale 20,000 times per day. It's a lot of air, and we don't see what we are sucking in our lungs. CO2, carbon dioxide is stuff which in high concentrations carries viruses, bacteria, and also, of course, decrease our cognitive skills like learning and ability to focus. Particulate matters, small, invisible, almost invisible particulates go to our lungs. Smallest ones penetrate to our blood circulation and then further on cause lung diseases and even cancer. VOCs, volatile organic compounds, gases, which can be extremely harmful for everyone. Now, these problems might not start to happen in hours or in one day, but gradually they cause us massive trouble. We also know that COVID-19 is spreading through the air by invisible exhale particles, smaller and bigger ones, and these particles are causing us high risk to get COVID if someone is carrying the virus. Now we are considering, and now we are on the edge of getting back to normal or the new normal. We all are asking ourselves a question: how to return safely to our offices, schools, kindergartens, restaurants, public places. One of the easiest and fastest and also lowest cost ways to tackle this challenge is start to measure carbon dioxide levels in indoor environments. CO2, because CO2 is something we exhale, and what we exhale is also carrying the viruses. And the risk level thresholds of our exhale air CO2 levels are actually clearly stated by multiple studies and governmental organizations. 800 ppm is considered as a research-based elevated COVID risk level of CO2 levels, and then further on 1000 ppm is the level which should not be exceeded in indoor air. Anything below 800 down to 400 are okay and safe. So these are the easy ways to monitor and also mitigate the risk in indoor spaces. We all should actually know these levels when we are indoors. Well, how can we help? We do have multiple solutions for easy, low-cost monitoring of CO2 levels, also other indoor parameters like particulate matters, devices, and complete offering, which is modular and scalable. It's easy to plug and play, maintenance free for years. It's based on reliable and ubiquitous connectivity of Sigfox 0G connectivity technology, works globally in more than 70 countries. It's available, networks are there, devices are there, and then cloud services for analytics are there, multiple cloud services. So this can all be set up in few minutes. And this will enable you to make data-driven safety actions, which is so important. So moving from guesstimating to really knowing what's in the air. And further on, make data-driven actions like automated ventilation, manual ventilation. You can do API-based data integrations to multiple different platforms, building management systems. And also, really importantly, you make yourself compatible with laws and regulations which are taking place in growing number of countries nowadays. So monitoring indoor air quality and especially CO2 is quickly becoming mandatory thing. And of course, also multiple other actions. So to summarize all this, I'd say that it's no longer okay not to know what's in the air in the building, regardless of it being school, kindergarten, or office. So should you wish to take control of air quality around you, get in touch and let's start creating safer spaces together. Thank you.